If your task list is starting to feel messy or overwhelming, organizing tasks in TickTick can help you stay focused and productive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize tasks in TickTick step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at your existing task lists and decide how you want to group your work. Next, create separate lists for different areas of your life, such as work, personal tasks, study, or projects. This helps keep everything structured and easy to manage. Now start moving tasks into the correct lists. You can drag and drop tasks or use the Move option inside each task to place them in the right category. After organizing lists, use tags to add extra structure. Tags help you connect related tasks across different lists, like urgent, home, or office work. Next, set priorities for each task. Mark important tasks as high priority so you always know what needs your attention first. You should also add due dates and reminders to keep your schedule on track. This ensures nothing important gets forgotten. For bigger projects, break tasks into subtasks. This makes large work easier to manage and track step by step. You can also use filters and smart views to quickly focus on specific tasks, such as today's tasks, overdue items, or high-priority work. Finally, review your task list regularly and clean up completed or unnecessary items to keep everything organized and efficient. And that's how to organize tasks in TickTick. Yeah, once you build a simple system, managing your daily work becomes a lot easier and less stressful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next